Welcome back to another Googan Store episode! Oh, what just happened? No. Where's my pool? Oh, is that mine? We got him! We got him! Pull him in! Pull him in! Get him, Justin! Oh, I got a bite. You got a bite? Well, we got a beautiful fall day, and if you guys look over here, we just happened to stumble upon some beautiful green bamboo. Seeing that, I was reminded of being back in my home country of Cambodia. So you know what? I thought, LFG, let's do a little bamboo fishing challenge. Kick it old school. What do you think about that, man?
I'm up for it, man. I like dangling. I like catching all the panfish species as well on like the cane pole kind of things, but I've never made one. So here's what we got to do today. We are going to make our own fishing rods, all natural, primitive style, making them out of bamboo, and the first person to catch a fish, any kind of species, wins.
I got one. I got one. Got one!
Mike, you know, this is probably best for you right here, a big machete.
Woo!
Ready.
Ready machete.
Ready to go. So, actually, the bamboo was brought here on this property back in the early 1900s to make duck blinds. It's taken off, and they have plenty of it. So this is kind of like a pumpkin patch. I suggest we just find the biggest piece of bamboo we can and just go after it. Maybe that's the strategy.
Let's do it. So am I going to be hacking this up, or am I going to be sawing it down?
And that's up to you.
It's up to me?
That's up to you what kind of customization you want to do on your own pole.
All right, I'm up first. I'm looking for the longest, greenest, most flexible piece of bamboo that I can find. Let's take a look over here. Ah, man. Yeah, these are a little dried up. See these brown ones? That's not gonna have the flexibility I'm looking for in a bamboo pole. In fact, this guy right here, oh, that's probably that's gotta be a 16-foot stick of bamboo. This one's gonna be perfect. Nope. Just gonna clear out a space. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna chop it right at the base. Ready? Oh. Ah! All right, let's take a quick break. This is some very clean bamboo, very strong, very healthy. We might have to hack it up. Let's use the saw side of this machete and see if we can do some damage to it. There we go.
Mike,
I
don't think that's a saw.
What?
Yeah, that's just for clearing vines.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's not even sharp.
Oh, it's pretty sharp. All right, let's try this again. Oh, let me try to get some more.
Okay.
Okay, we got some tips from LFG. Apparently, we should be hacking at it. Let's see if this works. Dude, this is strong, man. I don't have enough of a backswing. Oh yeah, almost through there. Couple more hacks. Ah. Timber!
Wow.
Woo!
That's a giant.
That's a big one.
Wow, you got the extra heavy tippy out here, dude. It doesn't even have a tip on it.
Wait, this one has no tip?
You got a blunt tip, extra heavy flipping stick.
Oh my, is that normal?
I don't know.
Dude, back in the rice paddies, my grandparents, you know, they would use in bamboo. They didn't have money to have a nice graphite fishing rod. Grab a piece of bamboo, get some line, and sometimes if they didn't catch fish, they didn't eat dinner. So shout out to you, Grandma, Papa. This is for you. We're bringing old school right here. All right. Right now, you gotta use this machete, clear off all these little shoots right here. Get that out of the way. We want a nice, clean fishing rod. That's our goal. There we go. All right. You think I can boat flip like a 9-pound bass out of there?
Probably could. Look at it. It's 16 feet long.
I feel like we should take
It's
this
an
home.
extra heavy power, fast action. I think it's a broomstick.
Dude, all I can say is I don't think you're gonna have a bigger stick than me.
Wow. That is a full-blown unit right there. I mean, what are you gonna do with this thing? This is gigantic.
I'm gonna catch me a mondo. What do you mean?
This is the biggest fishing pole ever. This might be a world record fishing pole.
This is the kind of pole you want to use when you're doing some serious dangling. Come on, man. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you could literally sit on the dock and fish the whole lake with this. Look at this. Crane.
Can we get a length measurement on this? You think I got like a rule?
This is over 16, dude.
This is over. This is like
a 23-foot pole. That's the biggest fishing rod I've ever seen.
Oh yeah, this is ready for some dangling. I got my rod now. It's time for Justin to choose his weapon of choice.
Okay, so Mike has officially got the world's longest homemade fishing pole over there. I don't think I'm gonna go as long as him. I see that being a little bit cumbersome. I'm gonna go just a medium style here. Maybe a 10 to 14 footer. We're gonna see. So I want something that's not too flimsy. That's gonna work out. I need to pick the right one here. Oh, that's a real bendy one there. But I'm not mad at it. Probably a medium light right there. Moderate, slow action. I think this might be it. I think this is gonna be a little bit more delicate, a little easier to fill the bites. Maybe a bit more difficult to set the hook, but this is my choice right here. So, see if I can chop it down in a little less chops than Mike. All right, there we go. A little bit smaller. Now we gotta clear some limbs here. Oh yeah, this is looking nice. I think I could fly fish with this.
I mean, yours is gonna be a lot lighter action, a lot easier to manage. You're probably going for those big, you know, big bluegill, big crappie, but I'm going for the 10-pound bass.
I've definitely got more tip action than Mike. There's no question. I win the tip game. I think mine's definitely like a medium light. You've got the heaviest.
What would this be? Extra heavy?
Ever.
What we got here? Broomstick style?
That's extra fast, extra long, extra
hard.
girthy, extra everything. Yeah, it's got all the sauce. Let's just do a quick comparison here. You've got another 8 or 9 feet on me.
Yeah.
I think.
And the girth. What about the girth?
You got some girth, Mike. I'll give it to you. But it's all about the dangle.
It is.
And the angle, okay? Let's get out here and we'll see who can catch fish. We got some Googan baits in the boat, some lunker logs. We're gonna put some big line on here, some 15, 20 pound Googan Squad fluoro. And let's just see who can dangle the best. Let's see who
Cross
can.
the swords.
Oh my gosh, Mike. These look like giant okra. All right, let's actually go catch a fish. Let's see if this works. World's longest big homemade fishing pole. We're gonna be using a lunker log today, 5-inch. And we're gonna go with a green pumpkin, blue-green flag. Come on now. My favorite color out of the bunch. Mike, choose your color, choose your destiny. You might wanna go with a 6-inch.
Let me show you what we've got.
You got a 25-foot rod. You might as well go with at least a 6-inch bait.
We both have about a 10-foot leader. I've got the same little wacky rig hook, but the difference is I'm about to whip out
Oh, baby.
the 6-inch lunker log. Here we go, guys. That one right there.
Oh, it's going down.
Watermelon red.
It's
Classic.
going down.
I'm excited.
Oh, look at the dangle. Oh, look at the action. Look at the action you can get out of this thing. It's incredible. It's over.
Let's get out there, bro.
Okay, 25-footer. Are you ready back there?
Almost.
Almost. What do you need?
Well, we're fishing, you know, we're not casting, we're dropping it, so I'm gonna need my polarized sunglasses right here because I'm gonna spot out the 10-pounders.
All right, I like the enthusiasm. Well, competition begins now. Get your sunglasses fixed.
Oh.
I like your stance, Mike. It's like you kind of have to
Yeah, the counterbalance.
get a counterbalance.
I got one! Oh, I had one! Did you see that?
Dude, you had
I had one.
Gold on it.
Dang it!
Get it back out there.
No, I'm tangled. You do it. I'm tangled.
I can't get that far.
That's where the longer stick comes into play. That's bite.
I can't get to your line, dude.
I can't. I can't get my. Get me. Okay. That was bite number 1. My bait got a little bit tangled right here.
That was a big boil.
That was a big boil. No, that was a good one.
I feel like I have the cast down now. Oh, I got a bite.
You got a bite?
I got him.
You got him.
Dude, I got him.
Oh my God, you got one.
Dude, I got it. It's a big one. Dude, it's a big one. Oh my gosh.
That's insane.
I got it.
Want me to net it for you?
I don't know. I don't know how we're going to get this guy. Come on. Let's go. What do I do now?
Oh, you got a beautiful hook in there.
I do.
That thing ain't going anywhere.
I just gently pulled up on him with my massive pole. Fight him out right here. Let's see the landing.
Here we go.
Like, this is it. Come here. Give me that face. This is very difficult. Beautifully hooked though. Yeah, let's go! On a daggum homemade pole. The best hook set I've ever had in my life. On a cane pole. That fish would have never came off in a million years. Look at that. Beautifully hooked right through the schnoz. On the lunker log. I just saw my line twitch. I pulled up on him. I got him. Yeah, I won.
Dude, that is what I'm talking about right there.
Dude, that is so cool.
Cane pole homemade fishing challenge.
That is incredible.
It's got to be a 2.5 pounder.
Oh,
right
I thought
there,
it was
at
a lot
least.
bigger at first, but
Yeah, you can't tell. You're on a cane pole.
yeah, anything on a cane pole just fights like a magnum. Oh man, this is one of the coolest fish I've ever caught. Victory.
That is what I'm talking about, dude.
That's awesome.
So-
I kind of want to keep fishing.
LFG won the challenge, caught the first fish on the cane pole, but we've only been fishing about 10 minutes. You know what? Why don't we try to upgrade, keep fishing?
Dude, I think we catch a big one.
Get a 10 pounder, who knows?
I think we catch a big one.
I'm getting back in there. I'm excited.
Oh yeah, this is it.
Well, that might be it right
We're in the middle, dude.
Oh, we're in the middle? Oh, yeah.
We're in the. Oh, we got him!
Oh!
Oh, I had him, dude!
Get back in there.
Oh, no!
Get back in there.
Oh yeah, I can't. What's going on here? Dude, I had him right away.
You called it. Play by play.
Got him!
You got him! You got him! Is it big?
I don't know. Oh,
my God!
It was big.
Get back in there! Get back
Dude,
in
he
there!
was just running. There was 0 hook set involved with that. The fish was just taking off. Oh.
I got a beef stick here. I gotta go with a beefy hook.
You gotta go full exposure. I got one.
Oh, you got one!
I got one, dude.
You got one!
Dude, I broke my rod.
Your rod broke.
Dude, my rod broke. Let's go. What do I do, Mike?
Yeah, do you need me to net it?
Dude, my rod.
Do you need me to net it?
I don't know.
All right, bring it around. Bring it around. Bring it around. Oh, jeez. How is it? Is it big?
No, it's just I have no rod. It broke on the hook set, dude.
Oh, it's good. It's not okay. It's a little chunker.
I can't
Bring
do
him over,
anything more than
Justin.
this.
Bring him over.
So it's this maximum.
I got him. I got him.
You got it, dude. I'm done. My rod did not withstand the test of time. That's all it took. This was a engineering flaw on my part. I accidentally chopped with a machete a section. It ruined the integrity. I did not even get a full hook set. Hook just popped out right there. It was just so sharp it was pinning the fish. If that would have been any bigger, I think it would have just broke my rod in half. Well, I might have to make this a pistol grip now. Shorten it down. See ya. That was fun. Let's see if I can break it right there. Okay. Well, there goes half my pole, so got myself a little pistol grip here now. And yeah, let's see how this works out.
I got all the ingredients. Cast over here. Good thing about this rod, easily switch to the other side of the boat. No problem. Got him! Ah, he came off! Come on. Justin, it's a good one. Get over there, get over there. Perfect.
It usually does it.
Got him!
Oh, let's go!
I got him! Let us go, baby! Let's go!
Oh, I got a bite too.
You got a bite too? Double up?
I got a double up. Oh, it's a good one. Oh my gosh, you doubled up on cables. Double up on cables. We got him.
This is absolutely ridiculous.
Yes. Yeah. Dude, we doubled up. That's cool.
See you, buddy. We got him figured out now. Now you know what it's time for? Time to go for Big Sally.
Dude,
A 5-pounder.
I don't think I can handle anything bigger with what I got going.
I'll be honest, dude. I flipped in that pounder like it was a little minnow. I could probably boat flip a 10-pounder with this rod right here. I got an insane amount of leverage.
I knew as soon as you got one, you'd be boat flipping it.
We just gotta find him now. And we're in the right spot right now, too. Lunker Log's doing some work.
Yeah, it's midday. They're getting down there in these holes.
Mm-hmm. Getting back in there. Next one, 5+.
That was right on the edge of the weeds.
Yeah. Doubled up, huh? I got one.
Got one?
Oh,
gosh, we smashed him!
Oh,
Oh,
it's
it's
a giant!
Oh, dude, it's a giant!
It's freaking huge, man! It's freaking huge!
Oh my god.
Woo!
Steer him over.
It's a freaking giant! You gotta help me land it, man!
Okay, I got you, bro.
This guy's a freaking
Oh my
monster!
gosh.
Ah!
Yeah, let's go!
Let's go, baby!
Dude, look at that fish.
On the 26 Mega Chopstick. Link down below, guys. If you want to purchase your own. Look at that hook set. Right in the roof of the mouth. You will not see that kind of hook set with a graphite rod. Boom, baby. That's a chunk. That's 3. What do you think, Justin? 3.5?
Oh yeah, that's the biggest one for sure.
I got one. Got one!
Yeah!
Let's go!
Ripping him out with that guy. Jeez.
No fight. It's hook and land. I don't think I've ever held a rod this powerful. I think I should take this to Florida to go for some Goliath grouper.
Dude, it's nothing. You're raking them in.
That little guy. Oh my gosh. Lunker Log, 26-foot bamboo rod. I think we got a new trend going here, Justin. What do you think?
I like it, man. It's the most simple dangle ever.
It is. Let's get back in there, man.
Oh, you got one.
I got bite.
No,
I got him.
you got it. Get him, dude.
Welcome back to another Googan Squad episode! Oh, what just happened?
No.
With my pool? Oh, is that mine? We got him! We got him! Pull him in! Pull him in! Get him, Justin!
Yes! Oh my god. I think that's it.
Sub to the channel, guys.
We'll see you on the next Googan Squad episode.